Good afternoon, dear friends, dear colleagues. This is Victor Tuyunov, founder of the ELECTROATOM project. And today I will tell you all about the significant news and important events that have happened over the past week. The second international conference, which was held in Vietnam, has concluded. Members of the Department of Science and Education of Vietnam attended the conference, as well as 25 leaders. The hall was completely full. There were 250 people present at the conference. We received positive feedback from those who attended. And, by the way, we also received very positive feedback from those individuals who unfortunately did not attend the recent conference. The overall amount of investment from Vietnam has significantly increased, as has the total number of investors. This is precisely the result of the international conference that was held. Valuable prizes were raffled off at the conference. The main prize was a motorcycle. Friends, this conference is not the last one in Vietnam. When we hold the next important conference, be sure to come and join us, because we will also be raffling off valuable and exciting prizes for all attendees. And of course, you'll be able to learn more about the ELECTROATOM project. We are relaunching the We Give Money promotion. Friends, this is truly a great promotion and an excellent opportunity to purchase an investment package at a significant 50% discount. When you acquire an investment package in your investor account with a convenient one-time payment or in flexible installments, the reputable company ELECTROATOM generously covers 50% of your total investment. Dear friends and investors, don't miss this opportunity to invest by taking advantage of this promotion. We are currently in the fourth stage of financing, and this promotion is designed to make the terms as favorable as possible. Friends, be sure to take advantage of this promotion, you won't regret it. One more important piece of news. The company ELECTROATOM now has an official representative in India, Mr. Naveen Sain. He has already started working diligently and will help us effectively promote the project throughout India. Friends, there's another truly important update. We have been officially scheduled for a significant meeting at the International Patent Office, where we will bring some of the essential documents we have already meticulously prepared and also find out precisely what else we specifically need in order to successfully obtain 3 crucial patents. On the 4th of July, a significant meeting was held at Tribel Technology, where I proposed considering the possibility of actually constructing facility number 1 in Vietnam is being considered. And the last piece of news for today, we have challenged ourselves. The thing is, in December, we will be holding a conference that will take place in Nigeria. And for this specific purpose, we are diligently preparing a small power plant to take with us to the upcoming conference and demonstrate precisely how it effectively works. Friends, this is indeed a very challenging task, but I truly believe we can certainly handle it. These were the weekly news updates from the ELECTROATOM project. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and please tell all your friends about this exciting project. And invest, be sure to take full advantage of our truly amazing We Give Money promotion. Goodbye, friends!